Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Phab 2 Pro, and today I will show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off, and just simply wait for the device to shut off. And once it's off, you then want to start holding power key and volume up. So let's do that now. Power, volume up, both of them at the same time. And when you see the Lenovo logo, you can let go. And from here, using volume keys, you want to select the second option, which is reboot to bootloader. So just press volume down once and then confirm it with power key. And you'll see that the screen turns off, and then you should see the Lenovo logo, and that's about it. There is no other way of distinguishing that this is Fastboot mode, as in other devices it just gives you some kind of message, for instance on the bottom, Fastboot mode. Here it's just gonna be on the Lenovo logo till you decide to leave the mode. So to leave it, I'm just gonna hold the power key right now till Lenovo disappears. And let's see. Hold it once more to turn it back on, and there we go. And there we go, we're back in the Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.